Welcome to today's whiteboard session on the power of emotional intelligence. Did you know that understanding and managing our emotions can have a profound impact on our relationships, well-being, and personal growth? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating concept of emotional intelligence and discover practical ways to enhance it in our lives. Let's dive in. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Let's explore the key components of emotional intelligence. The key components of emotional intelligence are 1. Self-awareness, 2. Self-management, 3. Empathy. Developing emotional intelligence brings numerous benefits to our personal and professional lives, which includes 1. Improved relationships, 2. Conflict resolution, 3. Effective leadership, 4. Personal well-being. Emotional intelligence can be enhanced by 1. Self-reflection, 2. Active listening, 3. Empathy exercises, 4. Emotional regulation techniques. Developing emotional intelligence is a journey that empowers us to navigate life's challenges, foster strong relationships, and achieve success. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get latest updates.